how to connect your Shopify store with n8n step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to connect your Shopify store with n8n step by step. So you can supercharge your e-commerce automation, you can automate your product creation or getting order. You can do a lot of stuff in n8n. So first thing first, let's talk about the requirement. So what you need to have is your Shopify store, first of all, obviously. Then you need to have an n8n account. If you haven't set up your n8n account, just go into description and click on the link. You will get 15 days free trial. Now, in this video, what we are going to do is first I will show you the preview and then we will set up a credential for Shopify and I will show you how you can create credential for that and then we will perform a simple action. Now, let me show you how you can do that. Let me just execute a workflow. So I have set up this. So let me just execute this. So what it does is basically fetch the whatever product I have right now. So as you can see, I have ID, then I have a title, tools, full gym. So as you can see, it is working great. Now let's go to and set up second step, which is creating credential for that. Now click on this create new credential, and then you will get three types of connecting your Shopify store into n8n. So I will show you the first one, but if you want to do with the auth2 or API key, what you can do is go to open docs and you will find all the details related to three ways. So let me show you first way. First thing first, we need is shop subdomain. So where you will get this? So what you need to do is go to your Shopify store. So let me just log in into my Shopify store. Now, as you can see, I have only one product. So we will create one product over here. Now, from there, you have to go to settings. Just click on the setting button. And from there, you have to go to domains. Click on the domains. If you have already, if you have created your own domain, you can connect it with your store and you can use as a subdomain as well. But I'm using this free plan. So that's why I'm using this subdomain from here to here. Make sure you just copy from N to B, like from this before the dot. So I will copy this and go back to my Shopify, like Shopify credential and paste this subdomain. Now, what we need is access token and app secret key. So where you will get this? So what you have to do is go back to your store and you have to find this app and sales channel. So just simply click on it. So we will create a new Shopify app. So what you can do, as you can see, I have already installed app, I guess. So, okay, it is not showing, but yeah. Now click on this Shopify app store, or you can just simply click on this develop apps. Click on that. And from there, you can see I have already created this app, which I have connected with this. So let's create an app new. Just simply click on this app. Sorry, create an app button and then click on this app name. So I will give test2 and then from here you have to add app developer. Like for example, you can give your email address. Then click on this create app. Now from here you have to configure the admin API keys. So just click on that. Now from here you have to give your admin API access scopes. So what does it mean? It basically you have to give a permission. For example, if you want to do automation related to analytics. So you can just give a read analytics, read apps. So you have it like you have a lot of options. Like there are a lot of things. So I will do just simply I will give permission related to products. So I will say product write and listening, and then I have this product write and read product. So you can view and manage product and variants and collection. So okay, that's it. What I have wanted to do with this. Okay, that's great. You can do it all of this, but it is not safe. But if you are using in a way, you can give all of the permission and you can create automation based on your requirements. So let me see if I can add more things in that. Okay, that's it. So okay, great. So scroll down scroll up and save all of these. Click on the save button and go back to your overview app. Just simply click on this overview. And from there, you have to click on this install app button. And after that, it will pop up something like this. And from there, you have to click on the install. Now, as you can see, we get the admin API access token. Just simply click on this reveal token once. So make sure you copy correctly, because once it is disappeared, you will not get it again. So make sure you have copy and store it somewhere for if you want to use this again. So I'll just copy and go back to our n8n and paste this access token into our access token section. Now what we need is app secret. So just go back to your app store, scroll down a little bit, and you will find this API secret key. Just click on this reveal and copy this and get back to your n8n and paste this API key as well. Now, after doing that, what you need to do is, let me see if I've done everything. Okay, I have done everything, and just simply click on the save button. Now it will test the connection. As you can see, the connection tested successfully. Now click on this cross button and let's demonstrate a single thing. Now we have selected resource as a product, and then we will create a product. Now I will give a title, for example, gym product 2. Now you can add additional fields like your handle, image, option, product type, publish ad, publish scope, and tags as well. A vendor as well, you can add that too, but I will not do that. But I will execute our step. Now we have successfully added our title, but we haven't added a lot of things like images and all of those stuff. Let's get back to our store and see if you have added our new product or not. Now, as you can see, gym product 2, inventory no tracked. So yeah, this is how you can do, this is how you can automate. Once it is connected, you can do a lot of things. So you can sync order to Google Sheet or Airtable. You can send new order notification to Slack or Telegram or email, or you can update product inventory across multiple channels. You can create customer follow-ups, workflows, and marketing campaign as well. So you can do a lot of stuff. If you want to have a tutorial on that, just simply comment it down below. I will create a video for that. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.